Hey guys, welcome back. So last time we created our JavaScript functions for the like and dislike comments, but what we need to do is create the PHP functions for like and dislike comment. So go back to your comment class and we'll create it in here, obviously, the like and dislike function. But what we're going to do is take it from the video.php class because the functions are going to be very, very similar to our like and dislike functions in the video classes. So go to video.php and copy the like function, but also the dislike function, all right? So copying both of them, copy that. Go back to comment.php and scroll down and we'll just add it down here. And then we'll just make some changes here. Like I said, most of it will stay the same though, so there isn't a whole lot to change. This can stay the same, this can stay the same, was liked by will also stay the same because this will call the functions we have up here, was liked by and was disliked by, so they can stay the same. This function here, which is going to unlike the comment, what we're going to do is make a small change here. We're still going to delete from likes because, like I said, the likes for the comments and the videos are in the same table. So delete from likes where username is this and video ID is this. It's going to change. We won't do video ID, we're going to do comment ID. So comment ID and then change the placeholder to comment ID. And then of course change the placeholder here to comment ID. And then this ID can stay the same. Query execute can stay the same. Now, we aren't going to return JSON here. It's a lot more simple in this case. We're just going to return -1, okay? Now, the reason we're not going to return JSON is because we don't need to know the likes and dislikes. There's only going to be one number displayed. So, regardless of whether it's been liked or disliked, we're going to show one number. So, if it's been liked more so, it's going to show a positive number. If it's been disliked more, it's going to show a negative number, okay? So, there's only one number to display, which is why we only need to return one number here. So, scrolling down to the else block now. Again, very small changes to make. We're just going to change video ID to comment ID here, comment ID, and the same thing for this placeholder, comment ID, and then of course update the placeholder here. This ID can stay the same. Query execute, query row count, storing it in this count variable can also stay the same. And then this part, let's make a small change here. It's not going to be likes, username, and then video ID. We're going to change this video ID to comment ID. And then again for here, the placeholder. And then finally update this placeholder. And there's only one thing left to do, and that's to just return 1 plus count. So return 1 plus count. And the reason we're going to do 1 plus count is because this is in the like comment function. So if they have already disliked it, so for example here I've disliked it, if I now like it, not only are we going to add 1 to it, but we also need to remove my dislike. So just by removing my dislike, it's going to put this on 0. And then when we add my my like, it's going to put it up to 1, like this. You see it goes to 1. But if I unlike it, it just goes to 0, okay? If I now dislike it, it goes to -1, okay? But now if I dislike it again, takes away 1, right? But if I go from dislike to like, we need to remove my dislike and add my like, which essentially adds 2 to it, like that. So that's why we're doing return 1 plus count, okay? Because if we've previously disliked it, this will be 1, and it will add 2 to it, okay? And that's it. Let's do the same for dislike. I won't explain it all in the same amount of detail. It's pretty self-explanatory. We just need to update video ID to comment ID. Same thing here. Comment ID, and then same thing here. Dislikes, we're just going to return 1, so return 1, okay? Because this is the number we're adding to the total, so if we remove a dislike, there's one less dislike, so we're just going to add 1 to the number, okay? Because remember, dislikes take away from the total number. So down here, again, video ID is going to be comment ID, same thing here, and then update the placeholder. And then the same thing here. This isn't going to be the video ID column, it's going to be the comment ID column. Placeholder is going to be comment ID, and then update this placeholder too. And then what we're going to do down here, instead of doing 1 plus count like we did above, we're going to return -1 minus count. Because again, same sort of thing. If we do a dislike, that's going to take away 1. There's our dislike. But if we remove a like that we had, we're essentially going to take away 1 again. So this might be 1. So we're going to take away 1, which is -1. So this could be -2. All right. Give that a save, and that should be it now. It should work. What I'm going to do is refresh the page. submit a comment. Obviously, you won't see anything when you press the like button because we haven't handled the response from the Ajax yet. But hopefully in the table we'll see something. So I'll press the like button. Okay, ignore this. That's okay. But hopefully we will see a like on the comment now. So if I go to likes, we will see this one with the comment ID. All right, and if I press it again, it should unlike it and it should go away. Which let's refresh the page. Do we? And we do. We see the like was removed. If you press the dislike button, oh wait, no, that won't work because we haven't actually hooked up that up to the function yet, so that's okay, but I'm pretty sure that'll work too. But we can hook that up next and check.